Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now install all of your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps section. Now tap on Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Default Apps. Finally, tap on the section that you wish to manage. I want to change my browser, so I have to click over here. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it. And click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!